Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Great. What's your name?
My name is Sarah Saeed, and I learn at Beacon of Hope School.
How was the competition?
It was wonderful. I felt great. Before, I was a bit scared, but when I went onto the stage, I was perfectly fine.
So you feel excited about winning and all that?
Yeah, I do feel excited since it's my first time here.
Ah, that's nice. So who chose the song for you? Was it your own choice or it was your teacher?
At first, my teacher is the one who introduced the song to me, and I liked it since I listened to it after he told me about it, and I just decided to sing it.
Okay, thank you so much. And congratulations for winning. Are you gonna come back next year?
Yeah, I will make sure that I will come
Thank
back.
you. Have a great day. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.